Hello and welcome to my channel. I just want to give you an overview of Power BI in this video. With Power BI is a Microsoft product that covers the business intelligence aspect of all the reports and stuff. So with Power BI, we can go through get information related to the data analytics as well as strong interactive dashboard. So in this video, I'll just explain where how we can get most out of the Power BI platform. So quickly going through Power BI desktop, it gives with that in Power BI desktop, there are we can create a self-service dashboard along with the interactive reports that can be filtered on the go, and we can connect live data to it as well. Um, the first part is to connect the data to your desktop. Next we'll be creating the data model, and then we will be creating multiple data sources and finding a common ground just to make sure that they can talk to each other. And then after that we can create individual visualization and filters that can make the report more interactive. That and also the new features which are coming up in Power BI is the analytics and artificial intelligence systems, and so in that it just gives an overview of what Power BI can do. It's not only just give you um, analytics and graphs and charts, but also it can give a quite bit of artificial intelligence, and we can take decisions based on the AI models that are running through the background of it. So that's pretty much it for this video. Just giving you an overview about that. So we'll see you in next video. Thank you.